How's it going, everyone? It's Gadgets Boy. Welcome to another video. Now, I've been following some of the leaks and rumors that's been circulating online about the next Galaxy device, the Samsung Galaxy S21, and it's looking good, and it might be the one that fixes some of those issues I had with my S20 Ultra, for example. And I really like the Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition, and I hope they've took a lot of cue from the user experience there. The next Unpacked event is taking place on the 14th, and I can't wait. It's been a while since I've been excited about Samsung Galaxy device or the launch event at all. So anyway, some of the leaks so far. Here we are. According to CNET, we'll see 3 new devices, again just like the S20 series, so no surprises there. They will likely follow the same naming scheme as well, so we'll get the Plus version, the Ultra, and the Standard Edition as well. We'll get that 120Hz refresh rate, and I hope, unlike the S20 Ultra, Samsung gives us that adaptive refresh at WQHD+. We'll have a maximum battery size of 5,000 mAh battery, which would be in the Ultra version, and a base model with a 4,000 mAh battery. Early renders from prolific leakers like Steve on Leaks shows the new camera housing as well, which looks fantastic in my opinion. It's unique, it stands out, makes it look different from everything on the market that we've seen already right now. We'll still have that 100 times space zoom as well, but we won't be seeing that sticker as we have it on the S20 Ultra, the marketing spiel on there. So that will come with the Ultra, and we get 30 times space zoom with the other 2 devices like we did on the previous edition as well. But we'll see some improvement with things like stability, so it's a lot more stable when taking photos and stuff when you're zooming in. Anyway, I don't want to get too much into the spec sheet and what to expect in terms of specs. There are plenty of leaks online if you want to check that out on YouTube, as we've done this already. But what I wanted to touch upon are a few things that are coming as well. So we've got the new Exynos 2100, which, going by some of the benchmarks that we're seeing already, looks to be really good and looks promising as well. Also, accessories in the box, it looks like we won't be seeing those AKG headphones in there. And some rumors also point towards no charger in the box. I think there was a tweet that was already deleted as well, and that shows there won't be any charger in the box this time, at least in the UK anyway. But those aside, the main thing for me is that leaked case with S Pen feature. Now, the S Pen is the reason why I go with the Samsung Galaxy Note series in the first place from day one. So it begs the question that if they included this with the new S21 Ultra, for example, where does that leave the Note series? Where does that leave the next Note devices? Now, what I will envisage that Samsung will do is they'll phase it out and focus more on their Fold range. So the next Galaxy, if I can get the words out, Z Fold will probably feature support for S Pen as well, making it a lot more versatile and making it that pro device that we probably really want, especially at the price point as well. Now, Samsung Galaxy Note series for me has been the device that it's the pro version, so you want to do a bit more, you want to do extra stuff that the S series can't do. So again, if they were to move the S Pen feature onto the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, the upcoming device, for example, where does that leave the Note series? With the rumors saying we won't have SD card support as well, the Note series might offer that as an example, just as that extra to add on to it to make it a pro device as well. So for example, bigger RAM and even a larger storage space, so that you can't get with the S series. Anyway, this was just a quick video to start a discussion with you guys. Let me know what you guys think. Are you excited for the S21 series? Where does the Note series stand for you? Is it now pointless with the S21 supporting S Pen? Drop your comments below, and if they do carry on with the Note series, what can they do to make it worthwhile for you? What can they do to make it stand out and still be that power device that it's meant to be? That's it from me on this one, guys. As always, if you haven't subscribed already, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification as well, so you know every time I upload a new video up on the channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.